Okay, so I decided to branch out into automation, into PLC programming. Full-time electrician, by the way, and this is one of the first videos I'm uploading. So I decided to make videos of me learning this stuff, just to help others learning this as well, and also to hopefully connect to people like me. Okay, so I used to do PLC programming, not anything big, but little bits here and there on Siemens CPU devices, and some of the people I bumped into that do automation, they've been telling me Allen and Bradley is the way to go. They go like, compared to Siemens and every other brand, they're more user friendly and more like easier to use. So I decided to get started with Allen and Bradley. Okay, so first things first, I went to my electrical wholesaler. I don't know if you heard of them, AWM Electrical, and yeah, I asked, I want this CPU with this software. I just looked it up on the website. I'm like, this CPU, this software, just to get started. CPUs cost around $350, but this software I was trying to get, well, it cost close to, I think it's called Micro Logic or something. Can't really remember off the top of my head, but yeah, it cost like $6,000. So I'm like, yeah, I can't really pay that much money just to start off into this niche. So he gave me a number of some guru, Allen and Bradley guru. I called him up and I'm like, look, I just want to get started into Allen and Bradley PLC programming. Like, what should I do? And he's like, oh, just get this basic starter kit. It's called this micro 810 starter kit I got. As you can get them from the NPH catalog. And it cost me around $350. And yeah, the software that you use for it, it's what is the software called? Oh, I'll tell you in a minute. Yeah, well, the software for it's for free, and like it's just for, well, as far as I know now, just for basic ladder programming. So input, process, output, too easy. Okay, so to install the software, it comes in a CD, but like I put the CD in, I did not get how to install it from the CD. It wasn't just a double click execution file and then like it's set up file and then it installs. It's like all this other gibberish. So what I did, I went and downloaded it from the website. It's a 1 point something gigabytes, so yeah, just brace yourself. You need a fast internet for this. I'm going to show you quickly how I did it. Okay, Google. Okay, so to get this working, I had to use screencasting. First I tried using the camera pointed to the screen and recording from that, but yeah, the quality didn't look too good. Okay, so here we go. Well, the first thing I did, I went to Google. Google solves everything. Okay, Google search Allen and Bradley. Okay, and then first link that comes up, it's a Rock. That's what the actual company is called, Rockwell Automation. Okay, and then I went to products, product directory, and then I went down to programmable controllers, micro and nano controllers. Okay, so the starter pack. Okay, just wait. Okay, the starter pack I bought was called a micro 810 control. Had a micro 810 controller in it. Click into that. Okay, wait for it to load. Go into software. Okay, this is what the software is called, Connected Components Workbench Software. Okay, so go into this. Okay, and it comes up with this screen, downloads, and English full version 7.0. Like I said before, it's a pretty big file of 1.52 gigabytes. So you need a pretty fast paced internet to download it, or up to you if you want to wait a day to download it with a slow internet. Yeah, that's your problem and not mine. Okay, so I'll say this because I tried it on my Mac before. Like I tried screencasting on the Mac, but I couldn't download it on a Mac because it's a Mac. Some Macs are so inconvenient sometimes. Okay, so first thing you gotta create an account with Rockwell Automation. They just do a bit of data collection to who's using their products, who's downloading their software. So, and it's for free, so You don't have to pay anything. Yeah, so you gotta make an account quickly. It's like making an account with anything else. Okay, so I agree. Okay, and then it comes to the download page. Okay, so here's where I had a bit of problems. You got two ways of downloading it: managed downloads and direct downloads. And direct downloads is a more inconvenient one. You're downloading directly from a link, so if something breaks the download, you have to start all over. You have to start from the start again, and from a 1.52 gigabyte file, if you like re-download that again and again, it's just so frustrating. Managed downloads, you need Java installed with your browser to download it. So yeah, if you I had the problem, I didn't have Java on my browser. I had to install that, close the browser, open this up again, click onto it, and then it started working. Actually, it didn't work, and then I restarted my computer, started it again, then it started working. Okay, but yeah, managed downloads are more convenient. Like, it will continue on from where the download left. You won't get much. You won't get, like, even with network problems, you'll just, it's like you won't break it and start from the start again. Okay, so I've already installed it, so there's no point me downloading it again. I'm just gonna waste hard space. Okay, so we're gonna just look at what this software looks like. Okay, so it's in Rockwell Automation, CCW. That's what, like, the abbreviation of the Connected Components Workbench is. And then we go into it. And yeah, there we have it. We got the Connected Components Workbench Standard Edition installed. It's for free. It's generally programs a ladder diagram onto the CPU. You download it to CPU, upload it from the CPU, view it here, modify it, whatever we want to do. Okay, so that's how that's done.